You go with her. But me, I ready for something like factory. Now there. Then they open Paolo by 4:30. Because me sell one day. Now me there they sell. You know the pursuit. Inmates at the yard. And not here. Because this back gate, they don't use anymore so. When they pass with inmates, now from up here now walk and go to that other black gate. So that black gate over now, like the lion gate. And then they pass with all inmates. Immediately that block over so, sell 4 over so.
What's not the block in name?
Obiba first block.
Obiba first, okay.
And they meet it. So they need pass with nobody in the jail. We are not the see.
Due to the gate where you did.
Due to the cell with me that they see the gate and they see over to Ocean and they see everybody. We're not going to able to see the back of Clarkson because we are in the critical side. Anybody that pull up here and they pass with her. You understand? I begin to force her.
So the one where they move with Paolo, pull up 4:30, then grand come back.
I know them by face now. At the point they all for now.
4:30. What do you mean by 4:30? 4:30
a.m.
4:30 a.m.
AM, I mean early in the morning. Sorry, early in the morning.
Now they keep pull up.
Yes.
Because we can normally keep pray. We can pray by them 5. This is a Muslim prayer. They can lecture first from there they start
5:30.
Because after Muslim don't pray, now we the Christian pray. Because I mean the Christian prayer. After Muslim don't pray, we can give chance. But they can lecture first.
Don't go to the issues here.
Yes, sir.
Without a hit the fire.
Without him the far, sir. Now police officer there. What you make us say na police officer the Laguna instances now, sir. This morning, within the jail, everybody they inside the cell. Nobody not ever did all man they inside. Done the padlock there, and I go prove me right say now brand new padlock then all at the jail. And I can go check out and I can't tell you back. The one on jail now brand new padlock. Any sound when I see padlock on a knock it for them. But wait I tell now so now lad like. Brand new padlock, brand new one. Brand new padlock. Brand new padlock. Now in the jail.
Trousers, yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one one of yeah.
Wait out one. Chairman.
You know, the commander they talk. I get for asking commander.
Let the man talk. You trust them?
Of course.
Hey, slow down.
Tear gas.
No, it's steady.
But that is not the guys if you can have you go back.
No, afraid because police officers them will make sure say the life left here.
No, like.
Go talk. Look, minister.
Then go survive.
Look. I get 2 weeks there, sir. I get 2 weeks there.
Yes. There's no
Yes. Yes. You know go open. They say pass go open market. You see the video. Pass up pull and come up.
Me bright voice. The tear gas.
They say we go sabotage. The one guy as I remember the guy we talk say one sabotage. Say na lies to you and
go allow them
something like that. I remember the guy. Who go I go point am back again.
And no me na the men in the area.
No, he did. As I remember, if you ask us, if you want to I say give the guy, you don't give.
You don't give a care.
Boss and go.
I swear to you, they want kill me.
Talk now.
This morning, we all day under lock. Because after one period on, everybody inside. Okay, normally they can open jail 10 minutes after 7, 15 minutes after 7, and they can open normally jail. Everybody come on and do can't we pull, come out and get facility to the flush. And all the clerks get facility to the flush. Normally they can open every day. For me, can't jail they open normally so. They only open normally, no problem not there with any police officer here. Okay, we did today. Then we open the jail. 10 minutes after 7, 15 minutes after 7, 8 o'clock. 8:30. 9 a.m. over now, a clerks in the Then begin call OCR. They bang the doors. They say, OCR, what's happened to you now? We look at piece of the smell. And somebody go. Then the piece we call them 5, 6, 7, 8.
We know that, sir.
They can floor. So I don't know if
you
thank you, sir. They can open we come to them outside. So the moment they call to attention, they send the over there. Not for talk. We are in today, and Nigeria, for one thing that happen. You see, but waiting. The moment they talk so now, one get information from me. We pull out from this. I've been talking with one part of the cell, and they give me information. We tell me so much I explain to my son. They say, sir, they say, OCR, what you not for open? And Osia say we don't want to. If Osia the talk said because Osia be one open. Because Osia will be one open the jail for everything go correct. But the regional Ayala we feel juice. I can identify one point and Yala we feel juice. Then come say yeah. Nobody will help you at today. Una or the lock una 2 weeks. See what we do. That's ending now. We don't talk to them. We don't want. They don't come with my first look. They don't talk to me. They be in this social compound. He hang up. That's the moment we do so. Una open without to proof. If we open without the compound self, una left me inside the block cell. Una give you food. They say yeah today. No food, no open. Say eh? Sure say no food, no open up here. Okay, forget about the talk. Left there. Then same people they will make that noise, that klaxon. Anybody will cost. They begin make noise. They say, "Una for open the TV." Now OCR, now regional commander with other officers them. Why we know them by face. They build the officer and the team. They go and the cell for open now. But the cell where they put the voice, they miss the cell. Then go open the other cell. The cell where they go open now, the name will resist the order. The name will resist the people there. The name will stay the people there. So the people that run outside the commander. For saying that German open padlock, no. They carry the bunch key. Some padlock they pull out normally they pull some padlock. But some padlock they key they open it. I will prove on that. Some padlock no pull. Yes, some padlock no pull. I dey prove on that. I dey go for without padlock pull. If they put key they pull. Allah like power. Some padlock no pull. So the boy they take the key. They open is outside. Open. Now so German and take commonado. Don't the long commonado now. We all know they now. Then we call Osia. Then the Obayana will up here. Then the Obayana will up here. Now we call Osia to attention. Say Osia, come talk to me. Let this tear. We amend this tear. You know with Osia, we don't there. Like we not expect say for do something correct at the end. Now make we talk. Call now. Can talk to you. Say Osia. Wait till I do so not correct. Osia still not take me to attention. Don the regional, I want to feel my juice and they recognize it at the crowd. Tell them, now they begin locate the officers now. From there now, then come with them, Agari, rapid responding units, then come with everything in that shield. Then begin exchange stone with me. And then first we get exchange stone with me, for long push come up. And you know, say we not do with nothing. The stone will take her up so. Just on certain German begin retaliate stone. Begin stone to stone. And now almost minutes. Now the police officer there. They say no German cross line get it to this main gate. Now see smoke to come inside that workshop. Smoke come inside that workshop. Big smoke. When the officer they do over the smoke the fire, smoke the come off us. Smoke the come off us. Smoke the come off us. When none officer not cross. Even then one gets there from before you from there to the final, non German no course, then gets in it. Then lights the office. Then lights the office. The workshop. Our workshop no matter. Then lights the workshop. The workshop begin cage. So Saturday German begin put voice. Hey, now the ball now workshop so not of you, not of you. We only up here. Now the ball now workshop so not of you. They begin out now. That's now they open these gates. They begin out now, 1 to 1. Right out now. And not today, Osia come with them, same officers them over so part. But the officers now, they want to be the stone, they not be too much. But we don't get weapon, and then they get the things about army. So they got German and out and so come out now. But before this thing they happen for us. Now the instances. OCR and the regional, the job be the normal from the day Paolo no carry it. And when I all go testify to me say this thing will happen so and no one day happen Nigeria. Thank you. You see the officer there, the police officer there, bad people there. And they incite the German for them to take Paolo for Gunato. Wait till make us say so. So certain time then they can pull Paolo. Then they can pull Paolo in the morning. And in the morning for something. They can pull him. go, sir. I can go. But me, I receive. Me, I always declare because now we organize prayer and the block. And then they pass to this man be here and before so they pass with. So then King Peter say, I know the sea. And while we all they know say, because of that pull voice. I pull voice. I say, hey, somebody goes Paulo, so they are the money. I give this stand now to make them why I now don't want in life. Because they say, then they talk out to themselves, say, I will tell you the fact. And me not go afraid for telling the fact. I pull voice for money. Say, hey, somebody goes Paulo, so they not talk to me. Paulo wear one black cap. But me wear Sabia. Sabia say na Paulo is. Normally. Wear one black cap. The officer in crowd. You know like they can crowd per person. For them, you know detect the person in the middle. But me and Maui, I get upstairs there at the sea. So I see the pastor and the camera. By then 5 something, we don't think good.
Ghana the prison officer, when I be involved in that, even not too safe.
I know this, I'm an officer.
No, but talk to me, I'm a colonel.
I know this, I'm not going to name by name, but at the point for you. I'm not a problem, but I do not correct information. Me, I need Ben
So, Paolo, come on and come.
How much o'clock they can bring a car inside?
Okay, and then 5:30, then 5.
So, like you take out then 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
1 hour, 2 hours, and
It's the counter back.
Alright. You see the director?
We will call it over investigation.
Director of prisons.
I make quality talk to us as well. And I don't make them people there. I'm not left me and them people there.
Honorable, this man should not be here.
No, he's not. Wait till I let you know, Colonel. He knows a lot.
They want to be an
eyewitness. Pull her now. You let go like custody.
Yes.
No, explain again.
We will not left here.
Yes, sir.
Anybody don't touch you. Nobody don't do
Nobody
anything.
don't knock me, sir. Nobody not talk to me. Any rough word, sir.
But you don't really think say all what he talk now, all the public, the whole world don't hear it, all what he talk so. You don't think say it bad for officer them?
A bad, sir, because of our let me life safe. Myself at the big one alone, forgive me. We just do all that
which
pleasure.
category of prisoner?
Me not condemn.
You know, condemned prisoner.
Yes, sir.
You there as condemned prisoner to suffer death, not so?
Yes, sir.
Then why, okay, for me, now for make you life safe from this condemned case, now make you be
No,
the
for let me
life
life
officer
safe
them.
from the beat where them be the beat we. That moment. So then go stop for knock me.
Okay, well, the whole world don't hear what you don't say, and all prison officers they now we don't get bad name. Say big man they move, one they move, all now we be one let Paulo come out. When the car go 4 o'clock, we bring a car 6 o'clock. Give the message now back to the world, say all what you say, you like power officer them, or make I not even say what you say you out of your mind.
Yes, sir.
Within the command on the bottom of your heart, we want to let the people then hear back and understand you talk and not to really tell you waiting for say.
Hey, not the under any directs. Nobody know the torture you. Nobody know force you.
Yes,
Talk exactly. Let the whole world know say what you been talk. Not the truth.
Always I talk. But that statement where the officer made the video me.
Almost minister be did.
Some ministers them did it. I know we will name them because they tell they.
No sabi them.
I don't know them.
So Jaman they did it.
So Jamal they did it back. Policeman
And they been the video.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you don't see. Always I be talk now because of I believe say for let me life safe. But me I'm a grave as she don't so I don't go lie per month man. Me I dey pray. And a two go set me free. If I lie per month man, you know go set me
But you
free.
don't already like per week score. You don't already like per week. So I go say if you like per month, man. You be for me. Sometimes some people they be for the arrest they now. But this talk we talk to sometimes some of we not big man there. For in a jail. Not the truth?
Yes, sir. They are the big una. Don't have to
All right, we not get nothing against you. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You say na trouble you want to first. If you don't declare back to the world, say not the truth, all we talk not the truth. We not get nothing for you now, yeah.
Yes, sir.
They take care of you. How you don't take care. So nothing no they do you understand? Nothing no they be to you, yeah. So no worry, yeah.
Palamba are the big. Wale forgive me, sir.
No, you don't clear the air. No. You don't clear the air.
Where you don't come on, we don't come up at this
They are
talk.
big, sir.
They don't suppress the lifeline.
Nobody not
You need to get
suppress
your food. You need to get all the necessary thing there.
They are the big, sir. Mr. Jusu. They are the big una. Forgive me, sir. They are big.
No,
sir.
we don't
Nobody know they do nothing.
What about the fire? The fire. Would I set fire?
A fire, then a jail man set fire. No go lie for nobody. Jail man can set fire. Just talk them up for let me life save.
Whose part will you play on this whole thing? This thing will happen. So we.
I not can over this lion gate here. I stay big. There's soldier man. There's people that they can know. Are they up? Now a clock then go pull me. Because when
People
fire.
confirm and say,
They say no,
say
they
you
ring
like
you.
you broke that place for candle. We joke candle.
No sir, no sir, no sir. I just to go
You
testify.
come to the
sir.
owner only panel then
No,
say you are
but,
part of it.
but just to go testify the way we come the candle. Okay, go
Would
testify.
that come on
Talk
the
for
candle
me.
now?
But just to go testify.
Would that come on the candle?
Don't see.
Would that come on the candle?
Then at the same time, because we don't believe you don't talk one word, you don't come big way.
Yes, sir.
The later we go to the public, now that thing you talk back. And the same thing you talk or you continue for big
No,
way.
I
with
go
him.
continue for big now and go talk the two. Dear Pa, I beg at the big one. I will not forgive me. I didn't know.
We not go do nothing.
Dear Pa,
Would have been jump candle.
dear Pa, Nathan.
Would that
They say
joke
na
candle?
Tanimola say na you say na Tanimola. Now that na
Osiatia, passing out if we for talk to. Look at.
So that go open company. Now you come go open.
Me never jump candle.
Can open you.
Me dey inside the block, then can open me. Look, Osia, they go
Would that open?
Would that open you? Would that open
Explain
you?
now. Would that open?
Would that open me?
Yeah, we go master up that place now with my first we jump candle. I'll do that acting.
Let's say all inmates they get open the blocks.
No wait,
So no give
if
me
boss
number.
we jump from me by first we candle.
Yeah.
We can open the padlock. Do that
We can
acting.
open the padlock door.
Yes.
Atani can open the padlock door.
all right. Skull.
Yes, sir.
We don't hear you part, yeah.
Yes, sir.
All the you don't talk. We don't hear you. The only assurance what they give you,
Yes, sir.
you bring you kaya. You don't. You say you don't there 8 years.
Yes, sir.
See now you don't. So if you all this trouble don't pass, you see well can also.
Yes, sir.
Well, make I give assurance. Say nobody not get for you nothing. Heavy.
Yes, sir.
The case and the investigator. This is don't turn government case now. You don't go give your statement to police, not to so. So CID.
Yes, sir.
Other inmates and said they don't go make their own statement. We SSF don't make our own statement. So government they look inside. Yeah. So just cool it. No member say they do you bad.
Pa, a big
No, no they do nothing. We know they do nothing.
Salambo, you are big Pa.
We know they do nothing.
Yeah, Pa.
Una dey do
Down
nothing.
deep, Pa. Any tone I would do me, I would do me. They are big.
No, we know they do nothing.
They are big.
Yeah.
Pa. If you
All right, okay.
I'll show you.
Una can't go back.
No worry.
Una can't go
Alright,
back.
no worry. No
When they do nothing.
No, give me the country, they can't get.
Nobody.
No, they do nothing.
Nobody Sanibola. Skull.
big Pa.
Skull just left me foot, yeah?
That one
I'm
are
okay. I'm okay.
They are big.
As long as God knows we no sense, no nothing. God knows sense.
That one are big.